The world of digital cinema is evolving faster than ever, and Sony is back with a camera that's already shaking up the filmmaking industry. The brand new Sony FX3 II. Building on the success of the original FX3, this second-generation model isn't just an upgrade, it's a massive leap forward. With a redesigned full-frame sensor, up to 16 plus stops of dynamic range, Venice-inspired Cinetone 2.0 color science, AI-powered autofocus, and internal 6K oversampled recording, the FX3 II packs serious cinema power into a compact body. Whether you're an indie filmmaker, documentary creator, or YouTuber chasing that true cinematic look, this camera could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In today's video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the Sony FX3 II, its new features, and why it might just be the best compact cinema camera of 2025. The world of digital cinema is evolving at a pace faster than ever before, and Sony has once again stepped into the spotlight with the release of the Sony FX3 II, a camera that is already being called a game changer in the filmmaking industry. Positioned as the successor to the immensely popular FX3, this second-generation model aims to push boundaries even further, combining compact cinema-ready design with cutting-edge technology that caters to the demands of modern filmmakers. With creators ranging from independent documentary producers to YouTubers and even professional cinematographers demanding a tool that is versatile, portable, and powerful, the FX3 II arrives at exactly the right time. It represents not just an incremental update, but a massive leap forward, redefining what a compact cinema camera can achieve. When Sony first introduced the FX3, it instantly gained attention for bringing cinema-quality capabilities into a mirrorless-style body. It was lightweight, packed with professional codecs, boasted excellent low-light performance, and seamlessly integrated into Sony's cinema line. Filmmakers adored it because it was easy to rig for high-end productions while remaining compact enough for handheld shooting and travel. Yet, as technology advanced and as the expectations of filmmakers grew, the FX3 started to show its limitations compared to more recent releases. The FX3 II directly addresses those limitations, incorporating improvements in dynamic range, color science, autofocus intelligence, recording formats, cooling efficiency, and workflow integration. Sony has taken everything that was loved about the FX3 and pushed it to the next level, making the FX3 II not only a worthy successor but arguably one of the most important cameras Sony has ever released. One of the biggest upgrades that sets the FX3 II apart is its new sensor architecture. While the original FX3 shared its sensor with the A7S III, optimized for exceptional low-light capabilities, the FX3 II introduces a newly designed full-frame back-illuminated sensor that promises enhanced dynamic range, better highlight retention, and sharper detail in challenging shooting conditions. Sony claims up to 16 plus stops of dynamic range, allowing filmmakers to capture scenes with both bright highlights and deep shadows without sacrificing detail. This is crucial for storytelling, as filmmakers often find themselves shooting in uncontrolled lighting environments where retaining maximum image data is essential. Combined with Sony's latest dual-base ISO technology, the FX3 II ensures clean footage whether you are filming in bright daylight, dimly lit interiors, or moonlit exteriors. Color science has also received a massive upgrade in the FX3 II. Borrowing from Sony's high-end Venice II cinema camera, the FX3